Good morning, friends. I'm heading to Aldi and I figured I'd take you along with me. I need to get some vinegar to make some homemade pickles, and then I also wanted to get some veg. I need a little bit of veg. I have a whole bunch of fruit and I have some frozen veg, but I wanted some maybe asparagus. And then I also wanted to get the Bartlett pears they have on sale. They're organic. So we're gonna go ahead and go out together, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get going. So my daughter has been waiting for these cookies, guys. They have a ton of different cookies, but I didn't realize. I thought there was no dyes here. These are Loft House, and they have dye. I'm so sad. So we can't get those. Maybe these? These have no dye, so we can get these, but they're not fun. Maybe pumpkin spice cupcakes. Those are cute, but not it for me. Alright, so skipping that. They have a bunch of plants for $14.99. I have so many plants in my house right now that need tending to, so I'm not going to get another one. I am a sucker for flowers, but for $7.99 I'm going to pass. Usually they're $3.99, and these are pretty big. As you can see, this one back here, they get really big, so we're going to skip on those, but they're very pretty. Pumpkins are $3.95 each. We spent more on a pumpkin that was much smaller at the farm. In New Jersey, we have a ton of farms, and they have amazing apple cider donuts. I don't know how good these would be, but they have them at Aldi for $3.29. Again, we have fresh apple cider donuts at the farm, so we're gonna skip on that. My son has been wanting to try these cinnamon rolls. They're $3.39. He can have dairy now, so I'm just, let's see. They do have dairy. These look really cute and tasty. Again,
that's cool.
Yeah, they are cool. Pumpkin cake bites and apple cider cake bites. I like that they have like that little cream cheese looking filling. They've got a lot of pumpkin stuff going on. 'Tis the season. Pumpkin cake roll, $5.29 for that. And then they even have pumpkin loaf cake for $2.99. Making mini breakfast sandwiches, and I got some English muffins the other day, and now I'm gonna get some mini bagels because they didn't have them when I came. So we're just gonna grab 2 of the small mini bagels. They have all these wooden toys, which are really cute, but they also have wooden food toys, which I really like.
I'm gonna get it.
You want to get it? It's $10.
Get that.
Oh, they have a wooden coffee maker.
Someone put it back.
Someone put it back. Now, my dad used to buy these. My dad has been gone. He's been in heaven for 22 years. My mom almost 20 years this October, both of them. And these lights was like the bane of my dad's existence, or the bane of my dad's existence. And so I did not get those. They have these beautiful cable knit blankets. And speaking of my mom and dad, my mom used to make the most beautiful blankets, but I don't know how to crochet, and I probably should learn. These mirrors are beautiful, but I do not need them. And I love this welcome mat. It's very nice and wide. Again, I don't need it. And then I do like these cutting boards. I bought the ones they had last year or maybe the year before. They were round with leaves on them, and I really liked those, and I felt like they kind of transitioned into a lot of seasons, whereas these are really just for the fall season. So I'm gonna skip on those. And speaking of my mom and dad, I feel like they would love Aldi so much. They never really got to go to Aldi. They have cat and dog stuff. My mom and dad had pets, and my dog would have loved all this stuff. My son wanted to get this little wooden tea set, so we did get this. This is really cute. They also had these little cookie sets. We did not need these, and they also had donuts for $8. It's not a bad deal, but again, we didn't really need it. We make real cookies and cakes and muffins and donuts, so we did pass on this. They have some more beds for animals here, and they are like lush looking, but I don't have any pets, so we're not gonna get that. I like these sweaters for my husband, but he would never wear them. I should probably get the green for myself, but I don't need it. So I love these socks. Again, I don't need it, but they look so cozy. I just love cozy things. Like my daughter's like, "Mommy, you look so cozy." She always looks at me and she's like, your outfit's just so cozy. I am a cozy person. I love to be cozy, especially in the house. Like my husband keeps the, temperature around 68, and sometimes it goes to 65, and I'm freezing, so I always have socks on, like slipper socks. They have jeggings, they have a lumbar support pillow, and I did not see the lumbar support pillow yesterday. I can't believe it. I'm looking at it now, and my sister's having back surgery, so I may have to go back and get something for her. I really like these purses, and then I was trying one on, and the zipper got stuck. So they do have 3 colors, but for the zipper getting stuck, I did leave it. I got this last year and I love it. I have it in my kitchen for $17. I think I spent $14.99 last time. I'm not sure. I'm wondering if it was the same price. Maybe it was, but it's so worth the money. They have comparable things for like hundreds. So now I like these pillows. Again, I don't need it, but my favorite one is definitely the ivory. I like the ivory and the green. I don't need it, but I do like it. Again, with the plucky things, like the little balls of fabric that kind of get on the things. I don't like that. Then they have these cast irons that I really liked. Again, I don't need it, but they are so darn cute. I like that they have a circular one, and then they have a round one and a square one. That was such a random thing. I love these crochet kits. I got one last year for me and my daughter, Pumpkin, and we got fed up within 3 minutes, so I'm not doing that again. I do like these collapsible laundry hampers, but we have like 4 laundry hampers. We have one in each bathroom, and then we have one in my daughter's room and then one in my room, so we do not need any more hampers. These look like they're clearanced, which is nice because they can still be purchased now for like Thanksgiving and fall decor. I'm very thrown off though. I didn't think they had any shiny ones this year. I was like actually upset because I wanted the matte finish they have this year and I got the shiny last year. So I'm not sure if someone returned that from last year or if they had shiny. You guys have to let me know. They have a slow cooker, which is cute. It's smaller for like maybe personal size servings or a family of 2 for $7.49. I love this herb de Provence. I'm not sure if I said that right. It's $4.49 and it comes in this really nice glass container with a little spoon so you can just scoop it out. Now, if you're making a charcuterie board for the fall holiday, like Thanksgiving, or if you're just going to need it for Christmas, these are great just for fall entertaining, Friendsgiving, things like that. They have these sea salt caramel cashews and not caramel. I wish they were caramel. That would be actually really good. Sea salt cashews with milk and dark chocolate. They have a ton of crackers. They have some pecans, whatever you call them. And there's like just a whole bunch of different things that you can put on your charcuterie board. There's spreads, there's like the breadsticks. They even have like stuffed peppers. And I just thought it was just a great selection, especially if you do like to make those boards. They are perfect. And it's such colorful things too. Like a lot of it is different colors and you could do a lot of contrasting things. They don't have the cheese in this section, obviously, but so you can go to the produce section and get, the fruits that you need, which are berries. Some people like to do grapes. You can do apples, but this is all of the shelf stable stuff. So that is perfect. They also have, of course, Aldi has the meat and the cheese in the refrigerated section, and I even saw that they have some like holiday ones. We don't really do that, but that's if something that you're interested, they have that as well. I have a lot of produce at home that I need to process and use up, so we're gonna just go with a few things. I got some organic barlet pears because they're on sale. This asparagus is really thin. I love thin asparagus, so I'm getting that. Some sliced mushrooms and also some brioche buns. Yeah, Bear?
Look at those things, the stripe things.
What stripe things?
The things, the long look.
Oh gosh, what is he talking about, guys? The little strips? Right, this? I'm pretty sure that's gonna be food dye bug. Oh yeah, tons of colors. But we just saw he can have dairy now. So do you want some caramels? They are $3.99.
I just saw that.
You saw that? Let's not get dark chocolate. Let's see if they have milk chocolate. I think they probably have milk. You like dark? Okay, so we're gonna get one of those for $3.99. Let's see. I like milk too. Let's see if it's all dark. Dark chocolate. It is only dark chocolate. That's fine. We'll give it a try. I like dark.
Those beans things.
The almonds?
Yeah.
You want that dark chocolate covered almonds?
Yeah.
We're getting a whole bunch of chocolate. There's a lot in the finds. We have like corn. We have meals over here. They're always great prices, which I really appreciate. Like $3 for a bag of fries with skin on, extra crispy. These look really interesting for $5. I'm not gonna get it, but they're like lasagna style pizza pockets, pasta pockets. Like it looks like mac and cheese going on in there. And then we got more meals. Those look really good, but we're not gonna get anything spicy because of my little guy. Then we have, that looks really good. The goat cheese and honey. Don't need it though. I'm gonna grab one of those. We don't usually do any Halloween, but we need a bag of nuggets. Oh my gosh, they have the pizzas. We're not doing too much Halloween anymore for personal reasons. Just, you know, it doesn't align with what I believe, so I'm trying to minimize that. Someone put something there. Some of you had maybe found me from this recipe, but my slow cooker turkey breast, gonna grab one of those. The Butterball boneless turkey roast, so good in the slow cooker. They also have a bone-in turkey breast. You get one of those for $10.99. That's such a great price, and they look different. Oh, new look. I like it. A lot more skillet meals. They have some strudels, and then they have these veal patties, which look really good for $10. Pork schnitzel, $10. Ooh, someone left the freezer open. $5 for those fries. Then lemon pepper. These are all great deals, but we don't really need any of this. I am gonna grab a bag of those fries that are hiding. They are $3.49. Country style fries. French fried potatoes with skins. I'm gonna make my own potatoes, but for now we do need some fries. I make my own, but these pre-seasoned herb packets are pretty great. You can do that and just pop them into your meals. I love them. My son picked out the cinnamon rolls, the Bake Shop cinnamon rolls, so I'm gonna give it a try. I should probably warm them up. That's not bad. Am I supposed to warm them up? Probably, but I don't have a microwave. That's good. And at 260 calories a roll, I just went for the center. That's actually really good. Even cold, so you can just dig right in the car, that means. Now I'm gonna try the dark chocolate sea salt caramels. I'm not sure how they'll taste, so. What? I like dark chocolate, so these are really good. But I know my husband and my kiddos would really like a milk chocolate one. I did not forget the vinegar. I want to thank you guys so much for shopping with me. God bless you and take care. Bye, friends.